Okay, so I had to go through a proxy in Europe in order to do this because Fogarite.com won't let me load it, much less sign up. But they changed the sign up page, specifically one of the people running it, thank you very much, so that I could have an account and maybe use it. But going through the proxy means it's heavily limited. Can't update status, so I'll just do it here. Um, Thank you very much for altering your website so that I could actually sign up just using an email and a password and a login. And thank you. Anyway, I've set it up. Hopefully, it's not a problem. Oh, and it wouldn't take what I typed in, so I just typed in Portland, USA. It's actually not my physical location currently, so the IP address won't match that city. It's supposed to state another city, but it should just say Oregon or zip code. But anyway, yeah, that's about it. And I have a Fogarate Forum account. And thank you for basically reverting it back to 2013 and putting the forum back the way it was so I could at least set up an account. It'd be good to leave it that way. You'd have more people visiting. Anyway, I will be using this to go through and make an archive and a backup of everything. I was going to do a video, and I actually finished it, one bad revision of it because I sneezed during it, about going through all the trouble finding all of this stuff. And I do appreciate the Fogarite.com forums and members more than you could possibly know for being maybe the only source for any continuing updates and hacks. Meanwhile, I'd like to point out the author of one product who is putting out a product for Rust Experimental didn't like me asking about the older versions of Rust uh, uh, to be compatible with his software and got kind of upset with me. But that person didn't also said that the reason I haven't do a pop-up that seems to annoy you is because I need to see the revision number of my product. All you have to do is make it to where the revision number is a default part of the screen. It's like that's what almost every other developer does because I've been there, done that. But anyway, thank you very much, dretax. This was awesome of you. No, I didn't rant and talk evil of you in the video. I just posted it. I'm a long-suffering admin at one point. I did BBSs. Oh my God, fear me. And I understand. And thank you very much for throwing a monkey wrench that worked in our Steam mess. And yeah, but anyway, apparently, if you want to go on the Fogarite forums and look up resources, you can just do the set up an account thing, and maybe it'll work for you at the time. And again, I had to go through a proxy in the European Union in order to see this. Why is your site blocked? Because it's just blocked. I can't get around it. Ping doesn't work, but archiving it from various archiving locations works. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that. Shout outs to all of you. Bye.